Sooeylife. Do these, make your hands like this. Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Sooeylife here. I am 53 and I am sharing enticing tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, no, but we can slow it down. Yes, we can. Every week, there's a different massage on my channel. Do this with me every week to take care of the whole face, to look younger. It's the easiest and best way. Do this with me. I'm always happy to hear from you. Leave a comment down below, don't forget. Today, I'm going to do a face massage that's 3-point face massage. That's 1, 2, 3. 3-point face massage. It's just starting from the middle. It's good for face toning and face lifting. It's really easy, but it's really good and it works. So do this with me till next week. If you want to get extra enticing tips, join the membership. The link is down below. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, right here. So do this 10 times. Next, switch the side, 2 fingers. Next, make your hands like this. Forward, right here, same point. Next, switch the side, right here, same way. Next, right here, make your hands like this. Just do this 10 times. Next, right here, so do this 10 times. Next, switch the side, same way. Next, right here, just do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this from here. So do this 10 times.